So hello everyone, so this is the 25th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can send our job application to company through our freelancer module. Here you can see in my GitHub repository there is a job application, company name, position, candidate name and email, and we have to simply choose our resume, and whenever I am just clicking on a submit button, our job application will successfully send to our company. So this kind of things we will perform in this video. This is the very interesting thing, so you will learn so many things from that. Okay, here you can see in our previous video we will discuss about how we can show the detailed project information through our ID, and that previous video in 23rd video we discuss about how we can show the full job details through ID. Okay, so if you didn't watch this video, I request you to please watch this video. You will learn so many things from that video. Then come on this video. So let's start this video. So here you can see I already log into my freelancer account, and whenever I'm just clicking on an explore job, there will be lots of job coming on my interface. And if I want to apply for the particular job, here you can see this is a software developer job. Click on view and apply, and if I'm eligible for that particular job, if I like that job, I'm simply clicking on a apply now button, and there will be a form pop-up open here, and I just select my resume and I successfully send my job application to the company. So this is the thing we have to perform in this video. So first thing we have to do, we have to open that pop-up here. So for that we have to come to our project. Here you can see I already open my project, and you have to come to your view and apply job.jsp. Open that, and in our previous video we comment this entire code from here, so we have to comment out this code so we can clearly see that job application here. Okay, so I just simply come on our browser, click on refresh, and I'm just refresh one more time from here and click on apply now, and here you can see now this pop-up is open, that is job application. This is the company name is coming from here, this is the position, this is software developer, that is automatically come through our database. Okay, now first thing we have to do, we have to also show here the candidate name as well as the candidate detail, okay, with the help of session. So if we just click on a resume, we select our resume, and at the moment we click on a submit, our job application submit successfully. So our lots of time will save here, that is writing manually this all kind of things. Okay, so for showing the candidate name here or the email here, we have to get help from the session. Here you can see, if you didn't watch this series, here you can see in 16th and 17th video you will learn how we can show that session value here. Okay, so we have to come to our controller. Here you can see there is a freelancer controller, open that, and we already showed that data in our freelancer profile. So we have to check out the freelancer profile mapping here, so we can get that data from there. Okay, so where is that? I have to see here, that is a freelancer profile, login freelancer, this on the home page, a logout, and here you can see the freelancer profile. So these two lines has all kind of information related freelancer, so we have to simply copy these two lines, okay, and come to our mapping of view and apply job. Here you can see you have to not come on view and apply project, you have to come on a view and apply job mapping. Okay, and simply paste these two lines here. Okay, simple is that. Then we have to write here as a session, so we can get the help of session, http session h1, and we need only one thing is right now, that is our key. This one is our key that has all kind of data related our freelancer. So freelancer data key, I'm just copying the key from here and come on a view and apply job.jsp, and simply we have to show that freelancer data here. So for that we have to apply the for each loop. So below of the candidate name we have to write here less than bracket c colon for each, then items is equal to double colon, then dollar sign, then curly braces. We have to simply paste our key, then where is equal to ef, because we already taken e at the top of the for each loop, so I am just taking it as a ef. Then close this and close this entire thing below of the input tag here, close this for each loop, and with the help of where we can now easily show our values. So ef dot name and ef dot email. Let's check it out, our data is coming here or not. I'm just simply refresh this page from here. Okay, click on apply. Here you can see we have to again log into my account, so we can get the data, log out and log in my account, because whenever we are type something in our project, our session got expired. Okay, so here you can see explore jobs, and if I want to apply on this kind of position, we click on view and apply, click on apply, and now here you can see our freelancer name Gaurav Patil as well as the email gaurav.patil@gmail.com. This is successfully come here. Now one thing we have to do, we have to simply choose our resume and click on a submit. So for doing the mapping for that particular page, for handle this particular form, we have to write that method in our controller. Okay, so here you can clearly see in this form has the file also, so we have to also write the file uploadation code in this video. Okay, so come to our project, and there is a 5 things in this form. So for that, we have to, first thing we have to do, we have to create the class here, so we can get this all variable into that particular class. So I'm just writing here new class apply job, click on enter, and we have to declare the variables here. Total 5 variables we have to declare it. Okay, so first thing we have to do, we have to get the id, so private int id, then private string cname, which is company name, then private string position, then private string f name, which is freelancer name, then private string f email, and last one, that is our resume, so private string f resume. Okay, so this is the total 5 thing, and including id, this is total 6 variables here. So click on a generate getter setter, click on that, double click on that, source, generate getter and setters, select all, generate, and here you can see getter setter is successfully applied here. Now we have to create the table for load that particular data into that table. Okay, so for that I'm just opening my database. From here till now I'm just declaring the method in our freelancer controller, so we can get the data into database. So I'm just writing here method, that is a public string apply job freelancer. Okay, at the rate in that I am just writing model map annotation, model map, sorry, in that I am just writing the model attribute annotation, then c1, then I'm just writing my class name c1, class name, that is the apply job c1, then curly braces, then above of that I'm just writing here request mapping, index request mapping, I'm just writing value, and we have to pass the mapping here. Okay, we have to write the mapping here, so we can get this all data into database. So you have to come to review and apply.jsp, and this is the our job application section, and here you can see the upper side there is a form. Okay, I'm just passing here also our project name. Here you can see this is my previous project name, but I'm just trying only the mapping. If it is not working, then I'm passing my project name. So I'm just passing here the mapping here. So I'm just writing the action apply for the job. This is as it is. Okay, copy that mapping, and here you can see the enc type multipass/form.data, because we are also sending the file, so we have to copy this mapping from here. We have to paste this into value, then method, then request method dot post. Here you can see, because we post data into database, so that's why we have to write there. Then with the help of pd, we can easily write here method, which is project down pd dot get apply job data, and in this we have to pass our c1, which is model attribute, and simply hover on that particular method, then create method in project down. Here you can see the method is now successfully created here. So we have to simply fire the SQL query here, that is the insert query, and with the help of this we can easily get that data into database. Before that, I have to come to my database and I have to create the table here, so we can paste that all kind of data into that table. Okay, so here you can see this is my YouTube project MVC. This is my database. Click on a query tool and we have to simply create here that particular table. So I'm just simply create here the table, so we can get this all kind of value in our table. So create table, apply job. In that I'm just writing int, okay, id, serial, primary key, then C name, which is company name, varchar 100, then comma, then position, varchar 100, then comma, then I have to check my class, that is apply job, then position, then f name, f email, and f resume, then f name, varchar 100, then comma, then f email, varchar 100, then f resume, so f resume, varchar 100. So click on execute query, and here you can see the query is successfully executed here. Let's check it out, our table coming here or not. So simply double click on table, click on a refresh and click on that, and here you can see the apply job table coming here, view and see all rows. Here you can see id, c name, position, f name, f email, and f resume. Now our table is successfully created. Now we have to come to our project, and first thing we have to do, we have to come to our controller. And you know that we are also working with file uploadation, so we have to write here the file uploadation code. So after the apply job c1, I have to write here the request param annotation, request param. In that I am just writing my particular file name that is present in our form. So check on view and apply.jsp. Here you can see this is the resume, and the name of resume is equal to resume. So I'm just writing a resume file. I simply copy this name from here. Okay, come to my controller and we have to paste this thing here. Then I have to give here comma, then multipart file, then no, I don't have to give comma, then multipart file, then file name. Okay, so this kind of things we have to write here. Okay, so request param, our file name, that is resume file, then multipart file, then file name. And we already discussed in our several video, the file uploadation code is similar in our entire project. So here you can see this is file uploadation code. Simply copy this code from here. Okay, and we have to come to our this kind of mapping. Here you can see this is the mapping for apply job. Simply paste this entire code on here. Okay, we have to do some minor changes here. We have to set profile f, so we have to write here the set f resume. Okay, and f is as it is. Then we have to hover on a file name, add throw declaration, because it can throw an exception. Now our all thing is set, and we have to write here the return. So I'm just writing a return on a similar kind of page, that is the our view and apply job. Okay, this kind of page. So return on a similar kind of page, or we can write here as a show all job, explore project. Here you can see explore projects, so explore jobs. So return on explore jobs, I am just writing a explore job. So whenever they are submitted the form, it will redirect on a explore job. Now the all things related to our freelancer controller is now fixed. We have to come to our project now. Here you can see, and I simply write here the query. So I'm just writing here t1 dot update, and I have to simply fire here the insert query. So insert into apply job. I have to simply write here the value, that is the C name, position, then okay, f name, then f email, then F resume. I have to write the values because this is all value, and that values we have to pass in our these brackets. So single colon, double colon, plus plus, c1 dot get cname, then comma, single colon, double colon, plus plus, c1 dot get position, then again comma, then single colon, double colon, plus plus, c1 dot get f name, then again comma, then single colon, double colon, plus plus, c1 dot get f email, and last one resume. So comma, single colon, double colon, plus plus, c1 dot get f resume. Now our task in our project DAO is successfully completed. Here you can see inside into apply job, cname, position, f name, f email, f resume, and this is the all kind of value. Now I think our all task is now successfully completed. Let's check it out. Our data is sending to our database or not. So for that I have to rerun my project, that is run on server Tomcat 9. Next, click on a finish, and let's check it out now it is working or not, or it will give some kind of error. Okay, so let's wait some time, and here you can see the project is successfully loaded here. I just removed the previous project, and I'm just click on a login as a freelancer, then Gaurav Patil YouTube, then 4545, click on enter, and here you can see explore jobs, and if I want to apply for this kind of company, click on view and apply, and click on apply now. Here you can see all things coming here as it is. I think we forget one thing is here, that is we forget to check our name attribute in our view and apply page. Okay, I just remember these things right now. So here you can see this is the our form, and in this form we have to check the only one thing is name. So here you can see the name is not a similar like name we taken in our this kind of page. So we have to change this name according to our variables we taken on this class. So for that we have to come to our this kind of form, and we have to check our name attribute. Here you can see the name attribute, that is a company name. We have to write here the C name. I'm just writing a C name, then C email, and the position or title, this kind of things. Okay, position as it is, then F name. I'm just writing a F name, and F email. Where F, okay, F email, and then resume is as it is. Now check it is working or not. So for that I'm just one more time I'm just rerun my project again. Okay, so we will not face any kind of error. Run on the server Tomcat. Next, click on a finish. So now all thing is now perfectly set. We fix our name attribute, we fix our controller, we fix our DAO file. Okay, we also upload the file uploadation code. Now check it out, now it is working or not. Okay, so I'm just log into my account, then 4545, click on enter, then click on explore jobs. Then if I want to apply for this company, click on that, click on apply job. I just select my resume from here, downloads, and the simply project plus documentation, click on open. Here you can see, and click on a submit button. And here you can see the post method is not supported. So I told you that thing, that's why I pass my project name also in that particular form. So here you can see in our view and apply job, here you can see in a form action, where is that? Here you can see the form action, I only pass the mapping. But whenever I am just submitting these kind of things through our form, when we are performing the inner tasks of the particular form, we have to also pass here the project name. So we will not face that error, or the project get the particular path of that particular project. So this kind of error we will get because the path is not get on that particular project. So for that we have to come to our project, double click on that, click on a properties, and we have to simply copy our project name from here. So project Spring MVC Java, copy that, and before the apply job we have to simply paste that things and give the slash after our project name or before our project name. Let's check it out now, it is working or not. Refresh, apply now, select resume, open, submit, and here you can see it will redirect me on my apply for job, or it will redirect me on explore job page. And let's check it out in the database, our data is coming here or not. Click on refresh, and here you can see our data is now successfully completed. Here, come here, that is the our company name, position, F name, freelancer name, F email, and resume. So today task is now successfully completed, and you understand one thing is that sometime you have to give the path of project. So our data is now successfully come to our database. So if you want to show the message here, that is congratulations, your application submitted successfully, you have to come to the controller, and here you can see this is a mapping of that particular job application. And here you have to simply write here as a model map. We already discussed here in our so many videos, that is with the model map we can easily show that particular message. Okay, so I'm just writing here mm.add attribute, and we have to pass here one key and one value. Okay, so I'm just writing here congratulations, your application submitted successfully. Okay, we have to write a query, that is the message after submit job. Now we have to simply copy this key from here and come to the our explore job page. Here you can see explore job.jsp, because we are redirecting that particular method in our explore job. So we have to come to explore.jsp, and here you can see explore the suitable job for you. This is the section, and here we have to show that particular message. So here you can see in my previous project I already shown that message. So I simply refresh this key with my original key. So I'm just removing this key from here and paste my key now here. I just simply check now it is coming or not. I'm just changing the color here from that is the yellow or red. Okay, now check it is working or not. So I just simply apply one more job, or I will log into my account, and let's check it out now it is working or not. So 4545, click on enter, and if I want to apply for the TCS, I'm just selecting TCS, view and apply now, select a resume is as it is, open, click on a submit, and let's see now it is working or not. And here you can see congratulations, your application submitted successfully. Now our today task is now successfully completed. That is how we can apply for that particular job. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In this video we will discuss about how we can apply for job and how things exactly working behind the LinkedIn, behind the Naukri, this kind of job application, this kind of job portal, how our application sent to that particular company. These kind of things we discuss in this video. In our upcoming video we will discuss about how companies see our application, how company manage our application. So this kind of things we will perform in our upcoming video. So if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. And if you didn't watch our previous series, I request you please watch this entire video series. Okay, and we will see you in next video. In next video we will discuss about how we can apply for the project similar like a job. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much.